here at the National Recreation Area on the Chattahoochee River this morning, trying out some exposure bracketing. I've got some areas with strong shadow as well as strong sunlight and a nice gradient blue sky this morning, so we're going to see how these turn out. First time kind of trying this out, so wish me luck, and that's what we've got. So the sun's coming in from this side of the bank that I'm standing on and hitting the other side, so there's also some nice contrast in the bridge behind me, and otherwise pretty calm, quiet morning, not too many people around. There was a guy out here fishing this morning. I wish I'd got a couple pictures of that, but no such luck. So, exposure bracketing is also known as HDR, or high dynamic range. You can see in the first picture it's normal exposure, second picture is underexposed, and third is overexposed. Then you combine all those together in Photoshop and you can get something really nice looking like this one here. And we go over here to this composition, same kind of sequence, and you notice that this has a better composition with the sky and the bridge abutment giving some nice deep contrast here. When you put those together, it looks like this. So much better than the first one. And moving on to the third, this takes it a step back and we look at it a little bit farther away. A lot of foreground noise. Looks pretty dark in the underexposed image, and then those combine into this, so turned out pretty nicely. And then lastly, we have the one by the riverbank. If you have a preference on which one you like or would like to see more of, or which part you need more explanation, please just give me a comment below and I'll do my best to answer those. And then here is the final image. Alright, thank you. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. I'll also give a shout out to JCG Films. I'll put his link in the comments below and let you guys take it from there. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and we'll be back with you soon.